YouTube. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trying to get this out as soon as possible. Literally, as soon as I turn this camera on, I was checking my phone. Finishline. They got the Raffles up right here. Jordan 14 Hyper Royals. Them joints right there. They ain't got a picture of them, but they got a picture right there. But they got the raffle up right now, literally live on Finishline. So make sure you know what I'm saying, do the raffle. So I'm gonna show you right here, right now, live, right now, how to do the raffle. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, go hit that like, subscribe button for your boy. And again, we roll to 500 subscribers. If I reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 2 of my subscribers, get some free kicks. You never know, it might be some retros, some Yeezy slides, some slippers for your girl, for your little dog. It don't matter. You never know. All you gotta do is subscribe button for your boy. Like, that's all you gotta do, man. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. Go ahead, follow me on Twitter. All link down in the description. Let's get into the video. And man, literally, as soon as I turn this camera on, they did it live right now on Finishline. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to copy shoes on Finishline, everything. So it's pretty simple, but sometimes people get a little confused. So I'm gonna go step by step. You know what I'm saying, tips and everything to do with Finishline. First things first, you're gonna click, you know what I'm saying, go to Finishline, yeah. You'll go to releases and you'll swipe. Most of the time it'd be right there, like, you know what I'm saying, the retro or whatever shoe they raffling, Yeezys, whatever. But sometimes you have to swipe over to the right just to see what shoe they are raffling. Boom. And then it'll say big kids or man size or they raffling. You'll click get a ticket, boom. You know what I'm saying, slide down, drops September 19th on Saturday, enter raffle today. Unlock a reservation by September 14th. So now you can click to get a ticket. You know what I'm saying? My size 11.5, boom, you know what I'm saying? Set a pickup location. You know what I'm saying? So you'll do like, I'm from Cincinnati, so you do Cincinnati. Boom. So I have Florence Mall, Northgate, Kenwood, Tri-County Mall, Eastgate. So in my mind, I'm thinking about, what's the spot I think less people will go to? That's how I think. I don't think like everybody else go to the same store. Like where I'm from, Kenwood and Tri-County, most people click them shoes. See me, I want to do something different. I want to figure something like either want to drive out or I feel like, you know what I'm saying, don't feel like driving. Me, I don't mind driving at all. So I'm thinking like, you know what, I'm going to do Eastgate Mall. You know what I'm saying, so I'm going to click Eastgate. Because Eastgate from here is about, where I live at is about what, 30 to 40 minutes. Not a bad drive. You got your good music, so. But you'll hit enter raffle, boom. Let's get this part. I don't want y'all to see the phone number. Alright, so boom. You know what I'm saying, I hit in my raffle. Just put it in literally just now. That's also a good tip. Make sure when the Finishline got their raffles up, like they put them up ASAP, make sure you put the raffles in ASAP. Go into their system super quick, super quick. And plus, if you win these raffles on Finishline and you go get them and go buy them, they're gonna start seeing that and they're gonna start picking you more and more often. So make sure you up, you know what I'm saying, stay up to date. If you don't want to stay up to date, make sure you follow me on Instagram, man. Go ahead, link down in the description as well. So like I said right there, so they'll notify me 4 days, 24 hours, and 54 minutes. And then you do the same thing with a grade school size. So swipe over left, big kids, you know what I'm saying, get a ticket. What size I do? I do random size. I'll do a size 6. Set a pickup location, the same, you know what I'm saying, the same thing you'll do. Click in the city, stay where you're from. So Florence Mall and Northgate Mall are the only malls that's gonna have these in grade school sizes as of right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'll pick Northgate Mall just to see if I'm winning or not. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That's all it really is to it on the Finishline. But like I said, my major tips is 1, make sure you know what I'm saying, you keep looking at that phone and it seems like shit, when Finishline gonna drop their raffle, they're gonna drop their raffle. And then when you put it in first, it's gonna notify their system super quick. And think about if you put in the system like the day before they supposed to unlock the reservation, that's supposed to be on September 14th. Let me check the date on that. So it is September 14th, so I'll let y'all know. So September 14th is on the Monday, they come out on a Saturday. So they'll notify you on that Monday. So say if you do it on that Sunday, you might not win, but ever since I've been doing it, like the day of the raffle that come out, most of the time I'll normally win. So that's my number 1 tip. My second tip is, if you do win these raffles, listen, if you do win these raffles, just go pick them up. Why put raffles in, you're not gonna pick them up? If they see it in that system like, oh, he went raffle, they ain't gonna pick them up. Not the people that's doing it, but the program, whatever, the survey, how they do it. If you don't pick up that raffle, the server gonna be like, damn, he don't pick up the raffle, so why do I keep picking him for? He not gonna pick up his raffle. But the more you pick up your raffle and go buy the shoe, and then scan make sure you use your card and your points. Make sure you got the right name. If you got some other name, they're not gonna pick up the raffle. They're not gonna let you pick up the raffle at all. If you ain't got your name on there, to match your ID, they're not gonna let you pick up the raffle at all. So please, 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 put your right name on there, because I had that to me like 3 times already. So if you got multiple accounts, you know what I'm saying, I know every sneakerhead, you know what I'm saying, YouTuber got multiple accounts. So make sure you got the right, at least something, your nickname, something similar to your ID. Please, 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 because it happened to me a couple of times. Sometimes I almost ain't get my shoe, but sometimes you gotta talk your way. And the more time they see your face, they're gonna be like, okay, you cool, you ain't gotta worry about that no more. But when you first go into a new store or something, make sure you got your name on there, because most time they check your ID. So, like I said, the shoe's supposed to come out September 19th. Like I said, man, go ahead on Finishline right now. It's live on the app. Make sure you go on the app. I just showed you how to do the raffle. If you got any questions, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Like I said, link down in the description. And again, like and subscribe if you're new. Road to 500 subscribers, man. Like I said, I appreciate the love and support from y'all again and again. We got 221 subscribers, man. Let's get to 500. Charlie One is out. Peace.